Right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $245.36 worth of goods. It was all said and done. I had an overage, a money maker of $23.19. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we gotta keep it real on our coupon boast here. So this is for the week of January 20th to January 26th, or January 19th to January 25th if you live up north. Today is January 20th, Thursday. It's the first day of the sale, and I'm going to be trying to do this every week. I'll upload a video on the best deals, so please subscribe to my channel so you get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week. So let's get right into the 13 or so best deals this week that I thought. And some of them I did before, and oops, I did them again because they came back in Ibotta. For example, the Royal Rice and the Mexican style and the Smoky Rasa, and I think there's one more. Regardless, you get these. The regular price is $2.19 each. So for 6 of them, it costs $13.14, but they're on sale to January 28th, and they're 3 for $5. So when you buy 6 of them, that's $10. Ibotta has $1.25 back on each one, limit of 5. So that's $6.25 back. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 16th, $2 off of 3. So if you use 2 of those coupons, you're getting $4 off. And then Checkout 51 has $1 off of 2. So you can use 3 of those. You're getting another $3 off. In total, that's a $3.25 moneymaker just on those rice. Alright, keep going. Chapstick. And these are by the register, so they're getting harder and harder to find. But they are $1.79 with tax, come to $1.92 from the Extra Savings book. And as you see, it expires January 28th. There's a $1 off store coupon. You're allowed to use a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon, so I combined that with a $1 off Publix digital coupon, which is considered a manufacturer coupon. So that made that an 8-cent moneymaker, paying $1.92 and getting a $1 store coupon and a $1 manufacturer coupon. That makes a 8-cent moneymaker. Keep going. Oh man, I've done this deal every weekend. I did it again because it keeps coming back in Ibotta, and it's in Checkout 51. So these are Phocus kind of energy drink, sparkling water kind of things. They're pretty good. $6.99. So for 3 of them, it costs $20.97, but they're still on sale. 2 for $6.99. So when you buy 3 of them, they come to $10.49. I found a Peely. So I found another Peely, so I got $1 off of that one. It's actually on the back this time, so I was happy to find that. So I got $1 off from the Peely. You know, hopefully you can get all 3 Peelys, but you know, I was happy with that. Also, Ibotta has $2.25 off of each box, a limit of 3, so that takes $6.75 off. Checkout 51 has $1 back on each one, so that takes another $3 off. So spending $10.49, having $1 off from the Peely, $6.75 back from Ibotta, $3 from Checkout 51. I had a 26-cent overage money maker on those 3 Focus waters. All right, let's go with the Klondike bars before they melt. I got to get them in the freezer. So I bought 5 of them, and when you buy 5 of them, they're not on sale, but they were $3.83 at my store with tax. For 5 of them, come to $20.59. There's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off of 2, so that's $1 off. Coupons.com has $1 off of 2, so use that and that. That's $2 off. And then if you go to the Klondike website, there's a rebate for $3 off of each. You got to get the no sugar, and I got the no sugar. So you get the no sugar and phone number, Venmo, PayPal. I haven't got it back yet, but I'm confident I will. So $3 times 5 of them is $15 back from that. I got the link to that rebate below and a detailed breakdown as always, so check below for links to print these coupons as well as a detailed breakdown so you can do these deals, you know, if you don't catch what I'm saying. Alright, Unilever Fetch. Unilever has $5 off of 15. I'm new to Fetch here. This is my first Fetch experience. Been couponing forever, every week, a moneymaker, and I guess it's just going to get better. So, have not done that yet, but I'm supposed to get $5 back from spending $15 on Unilever products, and I definitely did that because I got those, and those are Unilever products. So that's $5 off, and then Unilever ice cream product from Fetch, you get $2 back on that. So in total, spending $20.59, getting $1 back from the Publix digital coupon, $1 back from coupons.com, $15 back from the Klondike rebate, $5 back from the Fetch Unilever, and $2 back from Fetch ice cream. $3.41 overage moneymaker on that. Keep it going. Red Baron Pizza. I saw this one today and I wanted to get that, so this is free on Ibotta, so you gotta love that. Free pizza. Who doesn't? So $5.27 it is. Unfortunately, they give you back $4.49, so you're only paying 78 cents for that. Probably the worst deal I got now. But 78 cents for that. You gotta love it. And as always, I was working up to get I had a Sprouts competitor coupon. If I spend $75, I get $10 off my total. I've been doing that last couple weeks, and this was the last one I had, so I was happy to get $10. I was way over 75 on this. All right, keep going. Northsides. So I bought 4 of them, and they are regular price, $1.35. So this is probably the worst deal I did this week, but these are good things. These are tasty. So $1.35 for 4 of them, come to $5.40. There's a Publix digital coupon, buy 2 get 1 free, so you get $1.35 off of that. And then I had this manufacturer coupon that they emailed to me, $1 off of any 2. So I got $1 off and $1 off. I put in the digital coupon first, and then I gave them my other print coupons, and they accepted it. So they were $5.40. I got $1.35 back from the buy 2 get 1 free Publix digital coupon, and I got $2 back from 2 manufacturer $1 off at 2. So I spent $2.05 for those 4. Centrum multigummie beauty. Oh man, and I can't stress it enough. Always check the clearance rack, because this really made me have a high total here. These are regularly $13.99 for 7 of them, cost $97.93. As you can see, they're on clearance for $4.37. You gotta love that, because there's a $4 off from the save January 2nd, $4 off Centrum multigummies. And wow, so that took $28 off, so they were on clearance, as I said. So $4.39. They come to around $30, just over $30 for all of them, and I used 7 $4 off coupons. I took 28 off, and as I said, I do my digital coupons first. So I took a $2 off Caltrate Centrum digital coupon. So in total, I had 28. I had $30 back. They cost $30.59 because they're on sale for $4.30, clearance for $4.37. So yeah, this isn't going to be available at every store, but always check. You never know. I saw some other ones that were like $4.99, $4.69, but I decided to get this one. Anyways, costing me only 59 cents. So $97.93, and these only cost me 59 cents. So, and plus I got another 10 off my total, so figure that in. Acuvue revitalens. These are regularly $10.49 each, so for 2 of them cost $20.98. They're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $10.49, and there's a manufacturer printable. I got the link for that below, and it takes $5 off of each one. And if you can't print that, or if they say they only take 1 of them, and then you can use one of these and one of these. That's from the January, I think, 16th. I got it below, whatever that's from. But anyways, regardless, $10.49 for both of those, $5 off and $5 off from the manufacturer printable. So only costing me 49 cents for those. Keep it going. Another great deal. And this is how I did this deal, and I think this was the best way to do it. The Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Regular price $3.59 each. With tax comes to $23.16 for 6 of them. Also, throw those on. The Colgate Total mouthwash, $3.99 each with tax. For 2 of them, come to $8.58. However, these are 25% off, so they come to $2.99. So with tax, come to $6.43. And these are BOGO. So for 6 of them, they come to $11.58 with tax. And what I did, I used 2 of these manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source 1-2 for 2 of these. I used 2 of the That's the toothpaste one, but the mouthwash one looks similar, so I used 2 of them for the mouthwash, $2 off, and $2 off for the mouthwash. I got the breakdown for this because it's kind of confusing, and Publix digital coupon had $4 off of 2. So use that. Coupons.com had $4 off of 2 Colgate products as well. Or toothpaste, $4 off of 2 toothpaste, $4 off of 2 toothpaste. And then we had this magical store, and I did a little short clip about these. These are $4 off of 4, so I used 2 of those. And those are tough to find, but I found a gold mine of them that were about to be thrown out. I did that in another video. If you follow my channel, you saw it. So, buying 6 of these toothpaste and 2 mouthwash, I had an overage of $5.99 when I include the tax. So that was a really good home run, and obviously I'm getting $10 off my total. Keep going. Mountain Dew Rise. So this is regularly they're $3 each, so for 2 of them cost $6.45. However, they're on sale 2 for $3.50. So for 2 of them, they cost $3.76. You can buy 1 of them if you want, but I bought 2 of them because number 1, I had a Publix digital coupon for a free one, so I took $1.75 off. And there is a Rockstar Rise rebate. When you buy 2, you get $2 off. So I paid $3.76. I got $1.75 off from the Publix digital coupon. And getting $2 back from the Rise. So that makes a 1 cent I paid for both of those. So that was very good. Rise Mocha. Or no, this is the cold brew, yes, milk mocha Rise. I had a free product, and I've got the link for that below from Social Nature. So the regular $2.99, but on sale for $1.50. I took $1.50 off, and the reason I bought them because Ibotta had $1 off, and when I got to Ibotta, it was gone. So unfortunately, I only had a 13-cent overage on that because they entered it in. They thought it was this product, so they entered it in minus $1.75, but sometimes you get lucky and sometimes you don't. And let me get to that. Yeah, I got lucky right over here. So Flintstone gummies, $7.99. I got one of these, and as you can see, I found those on clearance for $4.99. And there is a $4 off of 2 from the Extra Savings book, and there is a $3 digital coupon on Publix digital coupon, as well as, unfortunately, these were marked $6.99 on the shelf, so had a Publix promise. They gave me back $7.99, and if you know me, I do Publix's promises as much as I can, so that ended up being a $2.01 overage moneymaker on that. And finally, as you know, I had the $10 off of 75 competitor coupon. That was my last one. It was good for the whole month of January. January is coming to an end. And I also had $2 as a Publix digital coupon perk. Thus, I had a $23.19 overage moneymaker. So once again, please subscribe to my channel. And everybody enjoy their couponing. I'm uploading a video. Try to do a couple videos a week. Try to do one on the first day of the sale. I'll upload other videos as well. So everybody enjoy their couponing this week.